Mastering measurements. Understanding measure in grams. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very common phrase in cooking and science: measure in grams. Whether you're following a recipe or conducting an experiment, understanding this phrase is crucial. Let's dive into the world of measurements and make everything crystal clear. Measure in grams refers to quantifying or determining the weight of an ingredient or object using the metric unit called grams. Grams are a small unit of measurement, perfect for precise tasks like cooking or scientific experiments. When you see this phrase, it means you should use a tool, like a kitchen scale, to get an accurate measurement of your item in grams. Why do we measure in grams? Grams allow for precision. This is especially important in recipes, where the exact amount of an ingredient can make or break your dish. In science, accuracy is key for successful experiments. Using grams ensures that you're following instructions as closely as possible, leading to the best results. To measure in grams, you'll need a digital scale. Here's a simple guide. 1. Turn on your scale and make sure it's set to grams. 2. Place your container, like a bowl, on the scale. 3. Zero the scale. This means you're setting the scale back to 0 with the container on it, so you're only measuring the weight of your ingredient. 4. Add your ingredient to the container until you reach the desired number of grams. Remember, precision is key, so add your ingredient slowly and keep a close eye on the numbers. Always zero your scale with your container on it before adding your ingredient. Measure ingredients one at a time if your recipe calls for multiple items in grams. Note the texture of your ingredients. Powders should be lightly spooned into the measuring container to avoid packing and adding extra weight. Congratulations! You're now ready to measure in grams like a pro. Whether you're in the kitchen whipping up your next culinary masterpiece or in the lab conducting experiments, you have the knowledge to ensure accuracy and precision. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy measuring, and see you in the next one.